Hi guys and welcome again to my channel. In today's video we will be making a 5-in-1 battery charging device. It can charge any 3.7 volt battery. So let's get started. For making this we will be requiring some pieces of MDA board. One is 8.3 cm in length and 11.4 cm in breadth. We will be needing two pieces. Then I have taken two small pieces. One is 3 cm in length and 8.3 cm in width. We will be requiring two pieces. Then I have taken a long piece. It is 3 cm in length and 11.4 cm in width. I have already cutted all the pieces. Now I have sticked all the MDA board pieces and a rectangular box is formed. Here I have given two switches and two charging wires. This wire can be connected in port C and this wire can be connected in a jack like this. Then I have made a box here. Inside I have used two pins. These pins are of this and the dimension of this box are these. Then I have joined all the pieces and made it like this. Here we can charge a rechargeable cell. This one is the upper box. Here I have fitted three switches. Here I have cut it in rectangular shape and filled glue gun here. Then I have taken two pieces like this and fitted them with a rubber band here from both the sides. These can now come out like this and go like this. Here I have used a jack like this which is in our old phones, and here the battery can come easily, and I have stick this jack here. When we will stretch it and fit the battery here, it will get charged. Here I have used two jumper wires. I will let you the uses of this in the video. Now I have attached the battery here, and here is the charging jack which we have taken. This will charge our battery. Fitted this thing here using two rubber bands and two pieces like this. Here I have made a rectangular cut so that they can come back and go in front. Here I have given the jack. I have used rubber bands on both the side, and here are the connection of this jack. Guys, now I have taken a 3.7 volt battery charger module, and then I have done the connection of this with a USB cable so that we can give it input. Here are two LEDs. One glows in blue color and one glows in red. We will place these LEDs here where we have filled glue gun, and these LED will be easily visible. Where B plus is written, we will connect one wire there. Where B minus is written, we will connect one wire there. We will then connect the wires to the jumper cable with the connection with the switch. Then we will connect the wires here and here, and then we will do the connection with the switch, and then here also where we can charge a lithium cell, and then we will do the connection here also where we have taken to charge a battery like this. So now we will be doing the connections. Now I have done all the connections. I have connected the positive of this charging module to the switches, these switches. Then I have connected the positive wires of these to the switches to the other end. Then I have connected all the negative wires of this module together. I have not used switches there. Now I will fix the upper box here, and then our project will be completed. Now our 5-in-1 charging box is ready and it is fully working. Now I will connect the USB cable inside of a charger, and then blue light will glow. It means that it is working. When we will connect a battery here, I will take a battery like this. This is of 3.7 volt, and I have connected a jack like this here so that I can connect it here. Now I will connect it here, but blue light is glowing because we have not on the switch. When I will on the switch, red light is glowing, which means the battery is charging. When the battery will be fully charged, blue light will glow. Now I will be showing you the current which the charging box is giving. So I have taken the jumper wires and a multimeter. I have connected the black wire of the multimeter to the white because I have taken white for the negative. I have connected the positive wire to the positive one. Now I will give it input. I have given it input and blue light has started glowing. Now let's check the current. So now I will on the switch. You can see it is giving 4.8 and 10 approx current. So it can easily charge our battery. We can connect a battery here with the positive terminal on the red side and the negative terminal on the white side. It will charge that battery. Here we can connect a jack like this, which is having a C-type mouth. It will save your money and space. If we use this charging module which I have used here for charging, it will cost around 100 rupees. But while using this, it will only cost 15 rupees. It will charge the battery, and from here we can see it is charging or not. And when it will be fully charged, blue light will glow. We can connect a lithium-ion battery cell. It will be recharged from it. Here we have to connect the positive terminal of the battery and here the negative terminal. I have given this switch for this. When I will on the switch, it will charge the battery. Well, now I will be showing you the current which is coming from this box. First of all, I will on the switch for this box. Now I will connect the multimeter wires here. The current which is coming is approx 4.12 volt. This current can charge our battery easily. Now I will be showing you how this battery holder can charge the battery. Now I have inserted the battery here and now I will on the switch. And you can see the battery is now charging. When it will be fully charged, blue light will glow here. Generally we use this type of charging module for charging a 3.7 volt battery, but now we will be not needing it. This module costs around 100 rupees. Now just we will be needing this device and it can charge your battery within 15 rupees. You can use a jack also here and charge the battery. If we use this type of charging module, it covers a lot of space. But if we use this type of a jack shown in the photo, we can save our money and space.